Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to hide all posts on Facebook. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Facebook application and make sure you have updated the Facebook to the latest version. Then go to your Facebook application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account. Then go to the hamburger menu. Then go to your account, and here you can see a three dot icon. Head over to it. Then just go to the activity log. And then if you click on your Facebook activity, there will be a drop down box, and once you scroll down, you will see an option of posts. Then click on manage posts. And here just click on the three dots icon, and here you will see a layout that will give you some options of view, change audience, hide from profile, move to bin, or move to archive. As we want to change our audience, so here we can just do that, change audience, and change it to friends to only me. And we can also just do hide from profile. If you click on hide from profile, you can see it is just mentioned that it is hidden from the profile. And yeah, this is it. If someone goes in your profile, they will not able to see this post on your Facebook account. And this is how you can do it. Just hide your posts on your Facebook. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.